Matt from Bizink here to share another marketing before and after with you. So one thing you see a lot of accounting and bookkeeping firm websites is book your free consultation like we've got on screen here. And to business owners like me, I just don't think that works because my time is really valuable, and to give away like half an hour or an hour of my time, it's just a cost, right? And let's be honest, it's a sales meeting dressed up as something of value to me. So what I would do there instead of having free consultation is to specify what it was. So if it's a tax saving session, call that out, right? Like free tax saving session, that might get my attention, and qualify what is actually the outcome for me. So we'll guarantee to find one small business tax saving for you in under 12 minutes. So why have I done that? Well, a guarantee is pretty cool, right? If you feel like you can do it, put a bit of a guarantee around it. Um, then say exactly what it is, like a small business tax saving in under 12 minutes. So make it quick, right? Like I don't want to be on the, I don't need half an hour. If you can do it for me in a really short amount of time, could have put 15 minutes, put 12 minutes because it's kind of a weird number. It gets my attention. Oh, 12 minutes? That's not a lot. Why not put that? Maybe even make it shorter. So the other thing that I've done as well is change the button to save me tax. On this one, we've got book my free consultation, which is just repeating what it said in the header, save me tax. So again, it's eye-catching. We're making that promise that we can do something, so there's an outcome there. So it might not be tax saving that you do, but I strongly recommend if you're going to do something like that on your website, free consultation, completely drab and will get ignored, change it to something with a real value, and the outcome is really clear.